How to stop background apps on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent apps from running in the background on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to do this, we need to enable developer options on our Samsung phone, but it's really easy to enable. To do it, simply swipe up from the bottom and open the Settings app. Once in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select About Phone. Once in About Phone, select Software Information. Then once in software information, all you need to do is find build number, and we need to tap it 7 times. So just tap it like this 7 times. You'll see it start counting down. And then once you've done it 7 times, you'll need to enter your PIN or unlock your phone. And then it'll ask you, do you want to allow development settings? Go ahead and select OK. So now when we get to the main page of the settings, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see developer options. Go in there. And then there's 2 different settings we can change. First, if we scroll down just a little bit from the top, you'll see running services, select that. And now you'll see all the different apps that are running on your phone currently. And you could simply open up any of these and just select stop, and that will force that app to close. So if you want to close an individual app and stop it from running, that's how you would do that. Now, if you want to prevent apps from running in the background entirely, all we need to do is first scroll down till you get to the section labeled apps. It's going to be pretty far down, as you can see. Once you get to apps, find background process limit. And if you want to turn it off completely, you can select no background processes, but you can also limit it to 1, maybe 2, and this will help your phone if you're just worried about it being slow. So select your desired setting, and then when you go back, make sure you keep developer options on, and that setting will remain, and you have now stopped background apps from running on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.